Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that VPay token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, VPay is the first AI-powered omni-bank purpose built for Web3 native finance, combining traditional banking features like USD accounts and card issuance with intelligence, automation, and tokenized utility via the virtuals protocol. At its core is AVA applied value agent, an AI assistant that learns user behavior in real time to deliver personalized insights, track spending, find discounts, and set smart alerts. VPA token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion VPay token. VPay token is listed on XC.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.